Yo, 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 what is up, guys? We're gonna be messing around with ARKit today. Just a little bit of fun. Project. I haven't had the pleasure of messing around with ARKit, so. How are you guys? Yo, yo, what is up? I'm curious as to what ARKit will do on a testing device. That'd be kind of cool to find out. But this is just the boilerplate code. So Facebook right now isn't hiring junior developers till 2018 as of right now. So I'm just waiting till then. Learning stuff still, but right now I'm not going to Facebook, sadly. But I guess I gotta learn some stuff. And the recruiter said that he was gonna keep my name on his list of people to contact as soon as they start hiring junior developers again. So. Dun, dun. Thank you. Interesting. So this is our ship. So when you run it, like, we'll see if it works on the. I hope it works. Like, that'd be cool if it like pops up maybe like a black background or whatever. But that'd be cool if it did on there. I have a feeling it's not going to though. Let's see. What are textures? I don't even know what textures really are. Like, if you guys don't know, I haven't messed around with games, or, I mean, on Unity I have. Unity has their own ARKit thing going on too, but I figured it's probably more simple just to learn it in SpriteKit or SceneKit and all this stuff, but let's see. So right now, when, like, we'll see how it works over here, if it even does, but when it loads up on an actual device, the image, the airplane is like 20 feet in the air. Not really, but is that a setting? Let's see. Maybe not storyboard. Maybe it is a setting because you can move this up and down right there. Looks like. Oh, is this what am I mesh? Let's see. So it's got material. That's all about. What's this? Identity. Position. -1. Alright, here's the magic. We'll see if it works. Guessing it's gonna be a crash. What if it just like pops up and shows my face? That'd be funny. Is it gonna run? So that's kind of weird. Let's see. Maybe hardware orientation. External display. No, rotate right, orientation, rotate right. Okay, so I don't think we can do that. My hopes were too high. That looks funny. And you can't even like alright. Well, that kind of stinks because I don't even have a device to test on. Can we debug step by step in order to see how code flow is working in this app? Yeah, let me go through that on this one. As in like view did load and then somebody that like increment like steps down. Okay.
Mom or number one mom?
Hold up, mom. Hold up. I'm streaming. Okay. Now since you want to all my phones. Alrighty. Okay, we can run this. Oh, it takes long. Sorry about that. There we go. So okay, we run this. We run this. So, first things first, it's gonna initialize a IB outlet. The IB outlet is connecting to the scene, I guess, an AR scene view. And that is connected to this right here. It's AR scene view. And the main storyboard. Or, main storyboard, how's that? So it's just linking it up. Right? Right here it's linked. And then, next step. It just runs. And then the next step.
Dude, stop.
I'm live. Dog. Well, what happened here? So of course, I mean, I don't want. I'll just tell you what happens. It just like it runs the code step by step, and then when it calls this right here, it's just going into the art.scn assets and it's pulling out this scene, and then you're saying that the scene view is equal to this asset right there, and then the view will appear, and then it will start the AR world tracking session, and then it's going to configure it, and then if it disappears, it's going to pause. Nothing happens for that. That's if you have nodes, or to create and configure nodes for anchors, add to views session. Oh, maybe this anchors it to the ground. Air session was interrupted, but that's basically all that's happening. It's nothing complex. Apple made it really simple, and destroyed a whole bunch of people's businesses, and created a whole bunch of businesses all at the same time. Let's see if that fixes something. I think that this right here anchors it to the ground. I think. I don't know if it will. Yeah, same thing. Whatevs. That kind of stinks though. You know what else I'm gonna do? That's what we were gonna do, but since I don't have the device, someone told me or asked me. I think this is. Yeah, you got any other questions? Since I can't really run that. Know what I gotta do? I'll just remove this. Okay. I think this is just my test one anyways. Is there any debug commands which take us through step-by-step debug so we can see Xcode is really working? Yeah, one sec. Let me push this real quick. Command. think I'm 2 commits. What does it say? Whatever. Yeah, it's here, let's see. So of course when we run this, I'm still messing around with the GitHub integration in Xcode. I usually use the terminal, but I'm gonna start using that because it's a lot easier, a lot faster. But it's still good to know the terminal. It's very important. Okay. So the very first thing that's called is app delegate dot swift. So it's gonna go through here. Which one is it? Continue program execution. So here's your view hierarchy. This is your memory graph, and then this is simulating a location. This is the thread you're on, stack frame. What's this one? Alright. You just do this one. And it literally takes you through every step. So, that's the answer. You can do it. You just click step over. And you may be sorry that you did that. But that's how you do it, yeah. You just do step over. Yep. Oh. Yeah, when I was at WWDC, some people had some cool stuff with ARKit. But, man, I'll do that afterwards. Okay. Okay, thanks. Yep, you're welcome. You're welcome. Now what do we want to do? ARKit, but we can't mess around with ARKit. No. Why don't we read about ARKit? That sounds like fun. Let's see how much the documentation they have. See what we can do. If you guys have any other questions, go ahead and ask. I'll answer them. Not guns. Talking about Apple here. Boy. Come on, Google. You should know what I'm talking about. So if you guys don't know ARKit, that's what it is. On the table, it looks like Legos is there, but Legos ain't there. Okay. Let's get reading. Of course, here's the demo project, which is pretty cool. Few beta downloads, lighting, yeah, they got lighting, high performance. Where's the docs? I want to read the docs. Docs. Yeah, get. Very important, right there. Those elements appear in. To make our app available, support. Use the ARKit key in a section of your app. If augmented reality is a secondary feature of your app, use is supported property. So let's see here. Right, the asset detect the plane. There's limitations. Oh, so you can have horizontal or vertical plane detection. That's cool. And you can also do 2D or 3D. 3D is my favorite though. Okay. So it's just nodes. One thing about this, if you're like trying to make animations or things like that, it's really important to know how to make that type of stuff. Interesting. Apple should give us. They should have like a 3D asset store like Unity. Come on, Apple. That'd be cool. I mean, we're developers, not necessarily are we all 3D graphic designers. Even though I've learned a little, I'm not a pro yet. Okay, so this is like initializing it. Important running session on the display. Next steps. I think we were already here. Session, delegate, hit test, anchor. Oh, okay, so an anchor keeps track of the object. So you don't lose it. Keeps it in its place. Automatically updates lighting, that'd be a good thing. But I guess if you have a larger application or something, maybe you want to put that on a different thread or something like that. This is what we're on right now, isn't it? Back. Interesting. So basically, this is all it is, and then the rest of it's just scene kit or ARKit, like not ARKit, scene kit or sprite kit. Scene kit or nah, my bad. Scene kit, but it's either 3D or 2D. So In source code menu and history, how can we recall the second? Yo, so messages, just leave messages on my videos. I'm trying to prevent like private chats, because then someone else is gonna come up with the same exact question, and then it's just pointless because I'll be saying it multiple times instead someone can read it or whatnot. Well, history. Menu history, the second last command. How can we go back to? Okay. Here, let me pull up this. Here, I'll show you. I'll open up a new project and I'll show you. It's not too hard, but definitely if you're new, it could be confusing. So I'll clarify that for you. Okay, we'll just do a normal application. Test 1, 2. Okie dokie. So right now I'm working on the master branch, and I don't want to work on the master branch. So new branch. Hold on in this testing branch. Alright, so we're on the testing branch. I'm going to head over to view controller, and we're going to say print this is not a test. Save that. Head back over here, and you'll see the commit, right? Add print statement. Did you not hear me? I'm not sure. Did you catch what I said? Okay, so added a print statement, right? So say I want to go back. This is on the testing branch. Well, okay, let me make another commit for easier. Because since it's on a branch, you could just delete the branch, right? Print. Hey. And then source control commit. Added. Hey, state. Okay. Commit file. Voila. So now if we head over to get control, you will notice did it not work. Maybe it's maybe it's slow. A bit slow. Who knows? There we go. Alright, so say you want to go. Okay, interesting. Alright, whatever. But say you want to go back to here, you just click on it, right click, and say checkout. Now, when we go back, it's just the previous one. But say we wanted to go back to testing branch. Checkout. I'm right back over here. Now print's there. Okay, so that's how you, it's checkout, is what it's called. Or say I want to go to the very original version, checkout to master. And they go to view controller. Nothing's there. It's the original version. So you do it. Hope that helps. But let's convert back here. Check out. New view controller, and we're back. Okay? Hope that helps. Guys, got any other questions? Any other questions? Any questions? No? No questions? No questions? Okay, okay. Alright guys, well I'm gonna head off if you guys don't have anything. I was hoping to stay longer to do this AR, but I guess I gotta get some graphics, 3D models or stuff like that. Alright, any questions? No? No? No questions? No comments? Nothing? Okie dokie. Deuces.